So let's talk puppies. Hi guys, and happy weekly vlog. A bish looks snatched right now because like also that nose highlight though, what it do? Hello Move! Oh my goodness, with a little egghead in the back. So I am headed to the Maleficent premiere right now. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I have a bunch of other stuff tonight I think you guys will find a little more exciting than Maleficent. No offense to the hardcore, die-hard Maleficent fans, but my publicist wanted me to go and take the photos on the red carpet and do the whole thing. Like, let me just show you the reality of like what this looks like. Did my hair, did my makeup, I got some cute little barrettes in. I re-pierced my ears for these photos, did not enjoy. I've got pink fuzzy slippers on down here and my shoes are sitting in my lap because they are so uncomfortable and I'm gonna wear them for as little time as possible. So headed down to Hollywood right now for the carpet, and then tonight we're gonna go home. I'm gonna change out of all of this stuff and going back over to Joey and Daniel's to go see the puppies again. I want to like do a long sit down talk with you guys because truly right now I want to say I'm sitting at a 50-50 of us getting possibly a puppy, but I think I'd be lying if it wasn't probably a little bit more. Ah, no! Do you want a brother? Literally, I'm just like so frustrated right now that Moose and I do not speak the same human English language because a simple yes or no is all I'd want from him. A simple yes or no. So anyways, we're going back over tonight to have some one-on-one time with Blue and Yellow.
Blue. Just blue.
And maybe yellow.
Just blue.
And a little bit of yellow.
Only blue.
So that's the plan for tonight. Last time I went over there, I got exactly 27 mosquito bites in their backyard. So I'm going in full mosquito protective gear. So sorry for the lighting changes that's happening right now. But my highlight looks good though. So I'm gonna go in full protective mosquito gear, aka sweatpants, and just look like a bag of poo because that's not the priority. The priority is going to have some one-on-one time with the puppies. Okay, we're having a nighttime little meet and greet. We've got Larky the mamas and this is Blue. Oh my goodness. Blue, you've gotten so big. Bye, Lark. Oh, do you have a leaf? Do you have a leaf?
What do you have there?
Can I have? Your ears are up. Who's that? All you can see is a little white butthole running away. Is that your baby? Who's that? Is that little Blue? Oh my goodness, look at these paws. Oh, thank you.
He's in the biting mode now.
Are you a little nippy? He's already so much bigger, like with his ears up too. He's straight up little bear. You look so much like your mama. Oh my gosh, guys, it's just like a horde of puppos. Is that the bed? He was like, guys, this is my bed. I claim territory. Hi. Oh my god. Who are you? Are you Teal? Who are you?
Teal. That is Green.
Hi, Green. Hi. Oh my gosh.
Teal,
oh my god. Oh my gosh. Babe, I think Teal has chosen me. Oh, I'm being chosen by 3 of them. Just kidding. Look at Lark. She's like, yeah, I made these. Hi, Teal. Oh my
so sweet.
god. Oh my god, I'm being licked by like 3 different puppies. Is that delicious hair? Oh, hi. Hi. Oh my god.
He's like, I want to be on the camera.
I'm literally just being
They're like, what is this that we can chew on?
Oh my god, I'm dying. There are so many puppos over here. Oh, thank you. So who has homes already?
Pink.
Pink has a home.
And Lavender.
And Lavender. That's it?
Yeah, and the rest are TBD. Oh, Storm, go inside.
Storm, what are you doing? Storm. No.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Red does that. He like.
Hi, Red. I literally don't even know who I have it. Like, who are you? Are you?
That's
Teal?
always, yeah. Teal is just
Oh my god, I love Teal.
Yellow.
Yellow. Oh, Yellow,
I
you're
know.
a big boy.
He's a thick man.
Yellow, you heavy. I think I love Teal.
He's so sweet.
Teal, where did you go?
They're just all like on the camera.
Oh, look at these puppy teeth.
Those sharp razor.
Yeah, those
puppy
razor
teeth.
sharp puppy teeth.
Yellow, get the strap. Get the strap.
Can I have this? Thank you.
Anything that jingles.
Okay, we're gonna spend some time with the puppos. There's like 3 of them on us right now, so be right back. Hi guys! So this footage is way less cuter than the puppy footage that you just watched, and I am so sorry because nothing will ever match how cute it was. I can't wait to watch it back. I just like set the camera down and the puppies just like attacked in the best way possible. We still have to talk about that too. Like we haven't even talked about the puppy situation yet. Anyways, I'm sitting in the Target parking lot because I have to grab a few Target things and it's been a little bit. Also, there's no one here and I'm by myself, so there's no one to stop me from buying all the things I want. Jeremy is the only one that tries to control my Target shopping. I need a few like bedding things and towel things and Halloween things. Oh my gosh, I'm filming the first 2 costumes for Halloween starting tomorrow for this coming Sunday. I'm so excited. Holy crap. This may be the best year that we ever do Halloween ever. I feel like I say that every year, but like if your girl's not getting better, then like you should just quit. Just kidding. Don't give up on your dreams, but you know what I mean. Okay, let's Target. Oh my gosh, fall vibes in full effect. Also, this is a pumpkin stuffy and I'm here for it. Also, I wish this was like a scratch and sniff because these smell so good. Okay, speed round Target haul. So I'm planning on filming the intro for tomorrow's video, I think somewhere over here. And currently we're looking very boho spring summer, I'd say. So gonna try and add some fall colors in. So I got this super cute like quilted little pumpkin, some candles. Those are just for the house as well. These light up little pumpkin lanterns. This little guy here. Also, this is just like, hate it. It's so pretty, but I think I hate how like snaky these things are. Don't know how I feel. And then these were all from like the dollar section. These are super cute. I think they're like $1 to $3. Something to like hang this little scarf over. Oh no, the snake plant is going down. Okay. And then I got this super cute rug for the kitchen and some new bath towels and some hand towels. And yeah, just some fall adult things, you know? My little tiny corner of fall. And then the rest of the room is just like, what bam, sleeping muse with a green plant. This will be like fine though, I think, for just like the video intro. Truly, I thought this was gonna look much more fall when I turned the camera on. I guess it's all down there. 3 singular pumpkins on the computer. Anyways, okay, so let's talk puppies. So we've gone to see them twice yesterday, and a little background, I feel like every time the question comes up on if I'm gonna get Moose a sibling, I've always said no. Like no even ifs, ands, or buts, it's always been a flat no. But then Joey and Daniel's daughter Lark went and had these puppies that are a quarter German Shepherd and 3/4 Husky, and they are freaking adorable. And there's also just something really comforting about knowing, you know, the environment that it happened in, I guess. And I always said that if I was going to get a second dog that I wanted to potentially rescue. But then this scenario happened, and now I'm just like, I don't know how I went from being like, no, I would never get another dog, it's too much work, to being like, let's get a puppy, because puppies are so much work. So here is where things started changing. And I feel like a lot of dog owners that I've been talking to recently have said this, is that when their dog hits 2 years old, not that they hit a slump, but Moose just kind of seems a little unenthused. Like he loves us, we cuddle every night, he goes on lots of walks, he has so many doggy friends, we go to the dog park, he goes to doggy beach, I took him on a hike this morning with another doggy friend. Like Moose lives an A+ life. Moose, would you agree? Do you live an A+ life? He literally tucked himself into that chair and is now snoozing after eating a gourmet meal. But we just know how much Moose loves other dogs. Like nothing makes him happier, except for food, than other dogs and new people, which is like kind of an insult at Jeremy and I, because like, hello, we are your parents and like love us, which he does obviously, but he gets super excited for new people. We know deep in our hearts that Moose would love to have a sibling. But, and I feel like maybe when people have like human children as well, once things cool down and you get comfortable after your first kid, you're like, I could do that again. Like that was not bad. We made it through and now we're comfortable. Now we're chilling. Now our life is easy. Everything is convenient. Moose is so low maintenance. And obviously it's different when you have human babies. I understand that. But in my current life situation, I have a fur baby. So I feel like Moose is in such a routine. He's so good. He doesn't chew things up. He knows where to poop and pee. We're in such an easy routine and he's so low maintenance that we're like, should we get a friend for Moose? But then obviously that comes with all the responsibilities and being even more tied down, and another 9 months of puppy chaos. And it's like the best 9 months. Like it's something that I am so glad that I got to experience, but it definitely is like cleaning up accidents and waking up multiple times a night to take them out. Crate training, obedience training, another dog that sheds. A Husky would definitely shed more than a Moose shed, because Moose's grooming is super low maintenance as well. And it's things getting destroyed and having to be super mindful of things on the ground. We'd have to pull up all the carpet, baby gate off the whole house. So like there's obviously lots of pros and cons. I haven't really talked about this, but I'm gonna be shooting a show, which I want to tell you guys more about maybe like in the next couple of weeks or a month or so, for 2 weeks in November. And then we're gone for Christmas and there's all traveling with the dog. So that's another thing that's like kind of weighing heavily on us too, is just like the amount that we'll be home in the next couple months, which is critical training time for a puppy. So that's kind of where we're at now. And obviously the pros outweigh the cons in how many pros I can list stop. It's just like the weight of the cons way more than the pros. I mean, because like obviously on the pros side, Moose would have a buddy. I have the means and the home to house another dog. We would be close to the puppy's family. We know Joey and Daniel. All of that is super comforting. Jeremy has also had 2 huskies, so has experience in training huskies. I now have a little experience with crate training after Moose, and you know, Moose and I made it out okay, even though I was a single parent. That's totally fine. Also, like, no tea, no shade, but like Moose is my dog, and so there was never an expectation that Alex would help out with any of that, which was very agreed upon from the very beginning. And so being a single parent, Moose and I made it through. So it's like 2 dogs, 2 people in the house. That could be obviously a little different, but I don't know guys. And obviously every single one of my friends is like, yes, get the puppy. The puppy is so cute. And when you're holding that little ball of fluff in the palm of your hand, the obvious answer is yes, I'm gonna take this little ball of fluff home. But then there's just so many other things to think about. And honestly, I feel like this is a good conversation to be having on the vlog if any of you guys are considering getting puppies, because dogs are huge commitments, and it's adding another member to your family and thinking about their needs. It really is like putting your life on hold for a little bit and catering to another life for most of the next, I would say, year, maybe year or 2, until that dog is kind of more, you know, chilled out and it's in its routine. Like, we don't put Moose in the crate anymore when we leave because he just hangs out in his chair and sleeps and, you know, whatever. So it's definitely a massive responsibility, and we are so aware of that. So we definitely just want to make sure we're making the right decision. It's not a matter of, is this the perfect puppy? Because yes, obviously the puppies are all perfect and they are adorable and I love them and I want to squeeze them forever. But it's a responsibility that weighs so heavily on this decision. So they're not able to come home for another 3 weeks anyways. So we have lots of time. Also, haven't talked this over with my mom yet, who will hear about this first on the vlog and is probably gonna kill me. If it was up to her, she'd have a human grandchild, and that's not happening anytime soon. Anyways, I know all the comments are going to be urging us to get the puppy because he's so perfect. I think yesterday we really narrowed it down to green or teal, but obviously Joey and Daniel are thinking of keeping one. I know they love teal as well. I don't know, we'll see. We met Blue, and Blue is like super dominant and super rambunctious, and we're also not sure like what kind of personality would be a best fit with Moose as well. Also, I feel like it's like getting darker as we speak here. Anyways, let me know your honest thoughts in the comments. I don't know, I feel like I should just tweet my entire pros and cons list that I've been working on. You guys can help me weigh in on things, but it truly is like a 50-50 right now. Like teetering. Like one moment I'm like, yes, like no questions asked, like yeah, let's do this. And then next I'm like, oh, I don't know, maybe we shouldn't. I don't know, maybe it's not a good idea. I don't know. I don't know. And I'm so sorry if this has been kind of like a double chin angle, because I've been holding my camera a little low because it's just been resting on my knee. Yeah, I'm way cuter from this angle. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up now. I hope you enjoyed it. Man, we had puppy content, then kangaroo content, and then more puppy content. Vlog cute levels have been fire lately. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't seen last week's vlog, it was the recap of Australia and a little bit of Fiji on our last vacation. Definitely love being home this week and like getting my body back onto PST time zones and eating regular food. I literally lost 4 pounds just from being home for a couple days because I'm not eating like I'm on vacation mode. Gonna go now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys on Sunday for the first episode of the 2019 Halloween series, and then again, we'll see you for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you. Wait, okay, don't forget, I forgot that we're announcing the giveaway winners of the 4 holographic backpacks that are just filled with some really fun makeup and skincare and stuff. So I am going to leave the 4 Instagrams over here, and I'll be reaching out via DM. Thank you guys so much for entering, and I already have so much more stuff that can be put into new backpacks for giveaways, and I feel like this will be like a fun thing that we can just do like once a month or so I can send makeup to new homes. Okay, bye for real this time.
My pretty little kingdom, now you're running.